Hey, so this video is around reading the audit log for DLP. So once you have DLP set up and you are good to go to dive into it, on the left-hand side of the console, hit the Protection tab. You'll find it underneath Disaster Recovery and Email Security. And then after that, you'll see the incidents for DLP. You'll see the quarantine documents if you have any. And then towards the bottom of that section, you'll see data loss prevention. One of the things you can do there is hit the DLP audit log, and it will show you the entire list of the audit trail for folks who have sent data either that was authorized or was denied. And you would see all of that listed out here. When you come up here to the top for the filter, you are able to filter it out according to the sensitivity type as well. So if you needed to see anything from a certain sensitivity level to see who was sending data out, etc. You're able to filter that out appropriately. You can also see the type of action they took. My demo environment here has one for outgoing file transfer. You might have one or many of them that you're able to pick through to see who's sending data through certain channels, sorry, and things like that, as well as different users. You're also able to choose between the actual destination, the sender, the process, etc., to filter out appropriately. And then if you did need to dive into any channels here and these tabs were getting in the way, you can hit this right here to select which items you want to keep up here or not. And then on top of it, once you select one of these, there's a lot of information it does give you. One, you're able to see right away at the top if it was denied, in which case it is. That's how we created the audit trail for it. What the date was of the execution, which workload this actually came off of, who the user was that was actually signed in during that time. And then these are the sensitivity markings that specific document or that PII information was listed as during the time of trying to send this data out. So we can see that it met the PCI DSS as well as PII. And then these are the matched content types that were being sent out. So you can see right away here all of this really cool information, as well as the channel, the specific action they took, and then the files themselves and what the names were for them trying to send them out. And so you can use this as a nice opportunity to either have it be a learning opportunity or a true auditing purpose of just maybe asking, hey, this failed to go out. Why were you sending it out through that channel? Whatever it might be. Now, there is one last piece for DLP auditing that I just want to make you aware of in case you don't know. At the very top under monitoring, you may be aware that we do have this overview in which it is driven by widgets that you can add. So with that, I did want to mention that there is a DLP widget. So if you did want to pull up information and have it refresh live in your environment, you can actually see, outbound sensitive categories, the top senders of information, the top senders of blocked information, or even just a recent list of the DLP events. So we can actually select these, and then from here, we're able to fine tune this to specific date ranges, and you can add as much as you need to for those DLP activities. So we can even see, for example, just even more of these. And then these are all able to be seen on your console, and this refreshes every few minutes. So it's just another way for you to see that information on the fly without you waiting to dive into the actual DLP audit log. So thank you very much.